Alright everyone, in today's episode we want to show you how to make Germknoedel. Germknoedel are sweet yeast dough dumplings which are very popular in Austria and in the southern part of Germany. Traditionally it's filled with plum jam, but we like to serve it with blueberries. We begin with 200 grams of wheat flour in a bowl. Then we add a small amount of yeast to our flour. You can use fresh or dried yeast. It really doesn't make that big a difference. We also add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar to our bowl. Now we need 1 egg, which we give into our bowl. The last ingredient for our yeast dough is 125 milliliters of milk, which we pour to our other ingredients. Then we mix everything well until we get a dough. This yeast dough has to rest for half an hour now. For that purpose, we cover it with a wet clean cloth to prevent our dough from drying out too much. Now we make the vanilla sauce. This sauce is traditionally served with Germknoedel. First, we give 2 tablespoons brown sugar in a small pot. We melt the sugar very carefully. When the sugar is melted, we mix 1 tablespoon of butter in it. Don't wait too long. If your sugar gets too brown, it will taste too much like caramel, and later even bitter. We immediately fill our pot with 400 milliliters cream. To give our sauce the vanilla flavor. Therefore, we need 1 piece of vanilla, which we first cut in half and then scratch out the inside with our knife. Give all your vanilla in your sauce and start boiling it carefully. While our vanilla sauce is cooking, we take our blueberries and cut them in half. Because our sauce is too thin right now, we take a small bowl with 3 to 4 tablespoons of cold water and mix 1 to 2 tablespoons starch in it. Mix the water and the starch very well. Make sure that there are no lumps in your mixture. Pour your mixture carefully into your boiling sauce until it gets creamy. Now we need a pot with a sieve in it to steam our yeast dough dumplings. We use this steaming pot, but you can also put a pasta sieve over a normal pot and cover everything with a clean kitchen cloth. Now, take half of your dough and form it like we show you. If your blueberries are too sour, add some sugar to them. If they are very sweet, sugar is not necessary. Give 3 to 4 tablespoons of the blueberries on the middle of your dumplings and form a tear out of your dough like we show you. Now, place your dumplings in the middle of your steaming application and steam it for around 20 minutes. Place some flour under your dumpling. This will prevent it from sticking on your sieve. After steaming your blueberry Germknoedel for 20 minutes, you take a long needle and prick it in the dumpling several times to prevent it from collapsing. Pour a small amount of melted butter over your dumpling and make sure it is covered with it. Now, you give your vanilla sauce in a deep plate and place your dumpling on it. Sprinkle your blueberry Germknoedel with powdered sugar and poppy seeds. Your blueberry Germknoedel is ready to serve. We hope you enjoy our recipe. Have fun to reproducing it. Please support us by giving this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends on social media. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Over and out.